Good afternoon, folks, and welcome to Monroe, Georgia. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Realty, and this is my latest listing, 1608 Gratis Heights Lane Northwest. This craftsman style home is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath with just over 2,600 square feet of living space. The lot is just over a ½ acre and it's level, and it even includes a fully fenced in backyard with a 26 by 16 workshop with electricity. The home also offers a covered front patio, large glassed-in sunroom on the rear of the home, open floor plan including a view to the family room from the kitchen, 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, and stone fireplace. All this in this small, clean, and well-kept neighborhood of Gratis Heights consisting of only 15 homes. Come on in, take a look around. If you'd like more information about this home, or if you've got questions and you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, call me at 404-803-4669. Have you got a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button for more information. My listings always receive professional photos. They're put on 2 local multiple listing services, and they're pushed to over 700 websites. I always create an HD video just like this one. Call or email me at chris.may@cbrealty.com. I look forward to hearing from you. As always, thanks for watching.